So this is the annual ski beach trip. We're lucky that there's so much snow here. And then this afternoon we get to go play on the beach. So we get kind of the best of both worlds here.
Doesn't even make sense, honestly.
So much to do just right around campus.
It's just so close. It just took us a minute to get here. Not much longer to get to the beach, I hope.
Definitely think that there's very few places where you can have like an appealing beach experience and also like some pretty awesome mountains like this close together. And I think that some folks maybe don't realize how kind of close these two activities are to each other. It's pretty cool.
We're at Newport Beach right now. We just came from going skiing and snowboarding, and now we're just enjoying the day at the beach. The people here are so friendly. There's a lot of people who I've just met today who are first years, and everyone has been so kind and so fun to be around. In the morning, we're able to go snowboarding, skiing, playing in the snow, and then later in the afternoon, we're at the beach. We're gonna have a bonfire and have s'mores. So it's been an amazing day, and it's a lot of fun, and it's amazing that Pomona is allowing us to do this.